Debit side shows the expenses, credit side shows the income. Debit side shows the asset, credit side shows the liability. The items in the trial balance should appear only once. The items in the adjustment should appear twice. Creditor is a liability, BP is a liability. We start with the capital. The profit should be added. Drawing should be deducted is 7,81,120. Hello my dear student, I am Dr. B.S. Subramanya, called by name Dr. BSS, Professor in Commerce and Management, Vidhyaashram First Aid College at Temple of Excellence, MYSURU. Today, I am going to hang in this session Financial Accounting 1, First Semester, Unit 1, Session 6 in favor of Final Accounts of Sole Trading Concern. We already completed 5 sessions. This is 6th session. We'll move on to problem now. From the following trial balance of Mr. Abhiram, prepare trading and profit and loss account. Okay. So they will give the debit side, they will give the credit side. I told in the last session, debit side shows the expenses, credit side shows the income. Debit side shows the asset, credit side shows the liability. Capital, liability side of the balance sheet. Drawing should be deducted from capital. Purchase and sale, trading account. Carriage inward, trading account. Advertisement, profit and loss account. Sundry expenses, profit and loss account. Debtor is an asset, creditor is a liability. Bad debt, irrecoverable money, profit and loss account. Salaries, profit and loss account. Discount, profit and loss account. Rent, profit and loss account. Postage, profit and loss account. Provision for bad and doubtful debts, this is old RBD. Wages, trading account. Return, debit side, sales return. Credit side, purchase return. BR and BP, BR is asset, BP is a liability. Cashier bank is asset. Stock on 1/4 means opening. Trading account. Land and building is an asset. Investment is an asset. Furniture is asset. The items in the trial balance should appear only once. The items in the adjustment should appear twice. Come back. Closing stock, trading account, credit side, asset side of the balance sheet. Rate of further bad debt, 4,000 and create provision. How it is? Your debtor as per trial balance is 5,76,000 minus bad debt in the adjustment 4,800. It becomes 5,71,200. If we get 10% minus RBD at 10%. $57,120. The balance is 5,14,000. This will come on the asset side of the balance sheet. It starts with trading and P&L account. To opening stock 2,64,000. Purchases minus return 9,10,560. Carriage inward is directly connected. Wages 38,400. By sale 14,40,000. Return is 41,280. It becomes 13,98,720. Closing stock 3 lakh. Stock destroyed is 14,400. Now, your gross profit, credit side is more than the debit side. Difference is 4,52,160. This is nothing but your gross profit. Gross profit brought down. Discount received is 5,760. Advertisement 38,400 minus prepaid 1,600. It becomes 36,800. Sundry expenses, profit and loss account. Bad debt, add further bad debts total. Total bad debt 15,360 plus new RBD minus what's the formula? Bad debt plus new RBD minus old RBD. If the bad debt is given adjustment, bad debt, add further bad debt plus new RBD minus old RBD. Then salary is an expenditure, discount is an expenditure, rent is an expenditure, Postage is an expenditure. Then loss of stock, totally stock destroyed is 14,400 minus 9,000. Loss is 4,800. Division on building 72,000. On furniture 960. 72,960. Credit side is more than the debit side. The difference will come 1,49,440. Come back to balance sheet. Cash at bank 48,000. BR is an asset 1,20,000. Debtor as per trial working note 5,14,080. Closing stock 3 lakh. Building minus depreciation 4,08,000. Furniture minus depreciation 8,640. Investment is an asset. All prepaids are asset. Due from insurance company 9,600. Creditor is a liability. BP is a liability. We start with the capital. The profit should be added. Drawing should be deducted is 7,81,120. Total of the both side 15,05,920. Regarding this trial balance, you must be very careful. This is debtor as per trial balance minus bad debt in the adjustment minus RBD. This should be taken. Then stock destroyed full value. This will come on the trading account. Whatever the amount you are going to receive will come on the assets of the balance sheet. Difference will come profit and loss amount as loss on stock destroyed. Then your net profit is 1,49,440 due from insurance. Hope you understand. So this is 6th session. I have solved about 4 to 5 problems. All types of problems I have solved. Hope you understand. We'll have in next session unit number 2. This is first one, 2 is over. We'll enter to consignment account in the next session. Till then, goodbye. Meet in the next session.